Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bukeshala reporting and I'm here to discuss books. But today, basically this channel is about books. So I'm here to discuss how to read more books because this is a frequent question I've been asked most of the time, that how can you read a lot of books, or give me some tips so that I can read a lot of books. So here I am with the 5 tips that I have chosen and I personally follow them. So the tip number 1 is pick up your favorite genre. So by picking up your favorite genre, you will not have to struggle through the pages, because then the intriguing self of yours, the intuition, will push you through the story and you will be very much eager to know what's next. So this is one of the most important pros of choosing your favorite genre. So I read a lot of thrillers and horror, so it has never been in history that I had to forcefully push me to read it, because there's a constant rush which is going through me, and I just can't help but read more and more. And the second tip is to set a target. So what I mean by setting a target is, for example, that if take a book and see the total pages and then divide it into slots. For example, if a book comprises of 400 pages, then what I do is I set a target sometimes of 100 pages per day so that I can finish a book in 4 days. And if I'm lazy, then I set a target of 50 pages per day. So if you do this, you know that okay, today's target is that I have to complete 50 pages. So your mind knows ki, okay, I won't exceed 50 and I won't read less than 50. Your mind is straight. So this is a psychological technique so that you can definitely finish it, because when you know the target, your thoughts and your mind doesn't jib at the possibility of reading a book. Now, tip number 3 is finding a cozy spot to read. Now, see, it's natural that when we are uncomfortable, we are not able to perform the task with efficiency that we could have done if we were comfortable. So for me, I like lying down reading. So I just lie down on my bed and I read it. And for you, it can be a recliner or a sofa or anything. So it's very important to be comfortable in order to complete a task. Now the tip number 4 is set a timing. For example, when there's a timing and the target, you know when to read and how much to read. For me, I basically read before sleeping. Nowadays we do sehri, so I have to get up and eat and offer namaz. So basically I read these days, I'm talking about Ramadan, I read book after offering the Fajr namaz. So it's fixed in my mind that I have to read these many pages after I read namaz. So I don't have to get anxious that, oh my god, I didn't read anything today and how will I gonna complete the books, because I have a target in my mind. I also have a timing which at that particular hour of the day I'm definitely gonna read. So it gives you a purpose in your life, and purpose is very necessary to complete a task. Now tip number 5th, the last one, is to go through the reviews. So our mind, it's a psychological phenomenon that we get really convinced by what other people say. So it can be negative and it can be positive. You can use this psychological aspect as a positive one. You can go through the reviews. For example, if I have to read a thriller, so what I do is I generally skim through Goodreads or Instagram to see the reviews, and if the reviews are appealing and they bewitch me that I should definitely read it and they intrigue me, then I definitely pick up the book and I have hopes. But if you jump into the book without knowing anything about it, then it might be not a very good ride for you. So I suggest, what I personally do is, first read the reviews. Don't read the spoiler reviews, but read the overview of the book and the other person's experience, and that would definitely help you to be enthusiastic about this. So much for watching the video. These are all the tips that I have to give, and please do tell me in the comment section or on my Instagram that you really found these tips helpful, and I'll keep bringing more videos. Till then, bye.